How to calculate tag-wise precision and recall for POS tagger. I am using some rule-based and statistical POS taggers to tag a corpus of around 5,000 sentences, with parts of speech POS. Following is a snippet of my test corpus where each word is separated by its respective POS tag by slash. After tagging the corpus, it looks like this. I need to calculate the tagging accuracy tag-wise recall and precision, therefore need to find an error if any, in tagging for each word tag pair. The approach I am thinking of is to loop through these two text files and store them in a list and later compare the two lists element by element. The approach seems really crude to me, so would like you guys to suggest some better solution to the above problem. From the Wikipedia page. In a classification task, the precision for a class is the number of true positives, i.e. the number of items correctly labeled as belonging to the positive class, divided by the total number of elements labeled as belonging to the positive class, i.e. the sum of true positives and false positives, which are items incorrectly labeled as belonging to the class. Recall in this context is defined as the number of true positives divided by the total number of elements that actually belong to the positive class, i.e. the sum of true positives and false negatives, which are items which were not labeled as belonging to the positive class but should have been.
Note that since every word has exactly one tag, overall recall and precision scores are meaningless for this task, they'll both just equal the accuracy measure. But it does make sense to ask for recall and precision measures per tag. For example, you could find the recall and precision for the DT tag. The most efficient way to do this for all tags at once is similar to the way you suggested, though you can save one pass over the data by skipping the list making stage. Read in a line of each file, compare the two lines word by word, and repeat until you reach the end of the files. For each word comparison, you probably want to check the words are equal for sanity, rather than assuming the two files are in sync. For each kind of tag, you keep 3 running totals, true positives, and false negatives. If the two tags for the current word match, increment the true positive total for the tag. If they don't match, you need to increment the false negative total for the true tag and the false positive total for the tag your machine mistakenly chose. At the end, you can calculate recall and precision scores for each tag by following the formula in your Wikipedia excerpt. I haven't tested this code in my Python's A but Rusty, but this should give you the idea. I'm assuming the files are open and the totals data structure is a dictionary of dictionaries.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.